A piece of ordinary aluminum film, after processing, can be transformed into a life-saving emergency product when it matters most. Although emergency blankets are small and lightweight, they are widely used in outdoor rescue, medical emergency response, fire rescue, and other fields. Made from aluminum film and PE materials, they feature lightweight design, easy portability, thermal insulation, and heat preservation, making them an important product among various emergency supplies. With the growing demand for outdoor activities and emergency supplies, high-quality emergency blankets are gaining greater market opportunities. This emergency blanket folding machine. The machine can complete raw material feeding, horizontal folding, fast folding, vertical folding, and automatic finished product output. It supports processing various materials, such as aluminum film and PE. The folding methods are flexible and can be customized according to customer requirements. The machine operates stably, with a production speed of up to 60 meters per minute. We specialize in the research, development, and manufacturing of customized automation machinery, providing customers with stable and reliable production solutions.